In this video, we sail through the Suez Canal and see some of its more interesting highlights, including the world's largest swing bridge. Join us! So tonight we enter the Suez Canal, or we wait to enter. We enter actually early tomorrow morning. But right before we get to the canal, this is the Sinai Peninsula. And apparently we have Egypt on our other side, so I'll go over there and see what's there. Look at all the sand! We read last night, the Sinai Peninsula is the only part of Egypt that's in Asia. I didn't know there was a part of Egypt in Asia. I need to do more research. So the closer we get to the Suez Canal, the more traffic we have around us. Our captain said we anchor tonight, and then tomorrow morning we are the first to go through the canal, and there's only, I think it was 52 ships allowed in a day. So we will lead the convoy tomorrow. And that's the sunset over Egypt. That's Egypt to our port side. There's a bunch more ships lined up, ready for the Suez Canal tomorrow. I don't know what there will be to show you, but I'll show you whatever we see. See you tomorrow. The Suez Canal. Didn't realize it would be so close to places. Wow. The Suez Canal is the shortest overseas link between the East and the West, running across the Isthmus of Suez in Egypt. It connects the Mediterranean and the Red Seas and separates the African continent from Asia. Our ship sailed from Suez in the Gulf of Suez to Port Said in the Mediterranean. A canal in the area was first begun in antiquity, but the current canal's first year of operation was 1870. It is one of the world's most heavily used shipping lanes. It is so important to global commerce that I remember a few years ago, a boat was stuck in the canal and hundreds of boats backed up behind it. It interrupted global shipping for months. It is responsible for 30% of global container ship traffic each day, and there are 52 ships a day allowed to sail through the canal. I feel so lucky that we were one of the 52 that day. Thank you so much for watching. Really hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
So now the canal is big enough for two-way traffic. Look at all of the carriers. Just in a couple of hours, it's now huge. Instead of that tiny little canal. We get so close to the sandy area. Oh, look at all the little boats. Tons of them there. They're not going to stop. Sounds of this one. Oh, that says magnificent too. That's great. Hayden, look at that. It's pretty. Wow, yeah.
some of these are old enough. The comparect's probably gone. I think it's 100 years or something. Yeah, it's on the other side. We're past it already.
Huh? In a few minutes. Thank you for letting us know.
Huh?
Thank you for letting us know.
You're welcome. I passed here in October
Oh, so you've seen
with other ships, so there is plenty of things coming.
the bridge. Is that far from now?
It's baby, look at the map.
So this is a railway swing bridge over the canal. We've got a map, and on the map it's number 5. The Ferdan Railway Bridge is a swing bridge that spans the western shipping lane of the Suez Canal near Ismailia, Egypt. It is the longest swing bridge in the world, with a span of 340 meters. Is that it? Must be. There's the railway. And this is the other half of the railway bridge, swing bridge.
Et il y a aussi le ruinard qui
Egypt. This means our trip is almost over. We have one more port, Rome, and then we get off in Genoa, and we're gonna spend a day in Milan. And that is it. And it's time to go home. This has been an incredible trip, and for everyone who's joined us, thank you so much. Genuinely, thank you. Thanks so much for watching. I'm on an amazing adventure with cruises in South Africa and a world cruise that has ports in Europe, South America, Australia, New Zealand, and Asia. So click the Travels with V and Steve icon below to subscribe so you don't miss a video.